and I'm bringing you a video tonight from Redondo Beach, California. So, there was this underwater volcano eruption that happened in Tonga, which is thousands of miles away. And the result is this phenomena that happened today. Now I'm panning to the left and you see Palos Verdes Estates come into view. Beautiful area. That's Torrance Beach at the end. You see that cloud? That's the moisture from the ocean, from the waves breaking. And in that moisture, you can smell seaweed. Now, there's no seaweed on the beach because this tsunami took everything and dragged it out to sea. And it's interesting. You see the dark line there? That's the high water mark. This is low tide. And the low tide is where a king tide would be, which is a very high tide. There's a group of people there taking it all in. They're enjoying it right there at the water's edge. And this shows you this lifeguard tower where the water came up to the ramp, which hardly ever even happens in a king tide. And there's Malibu in the background, Santa Monica to the right, back, panning left. You see this massive wave. This is probably a 12-foot wave. Hard to judge because of the distance. And then right behind it is this 10-foot wave that comes crashing in. This is just a massive wall of water. Boom, there it is. And about a quarter of the way from the left, in the sunset line there, you see this thing that looks almost like a ship on the horizon. That's San Nicolas Island. It's 50 miles offshore on the horizon there. And I'm panning back to the right. Again, you see there the dark high water line, those barricades. That sign right there is the warning sign for what they call riptide. And they put barricades up at the line where the water had come up at that time, but went way beyond it. This is amazing to see. The beauty, the power, and the awesomeness of nature. We can never control it. I'm going home. Have a good night. Bye.